Hi guys, welcome back. This is 20 Gaming again. We're another Lost Sword content. In this video, we're just gonna be quick. We're gonna give you two new coupon codes. I haven't given the last day of the pre-anniversary that we're having, and then we're gonna be having the anniversary code as well. So if you're enjoying the content in this channel, please consider subscribing. So again, thank you. Shoutouts for the people who are congratulating me to be part of the content creator program. So shoutouts to everybody who congratulated. So I do really appreciate you guys. So again, thank you for the devs who are able to believe in what I make, because again, I love this game. I was chosen to be a content creator for this game today on this part because again, before this, I've been making content before I got into the content creator program, okay? Because I do believe the game is good, the assets are really good, the animations are good, the devs are very communicative, there's changes ongoing which I do really appreciate. Beside being a niche game, beside being a small dev team, there's still be able to communicate with and interact, and also have this interaction in the Discord to make it much more interactive between the community. Okay, so I do really appreciate it, and I believe that they can give us more product moving forward and more polished product moving forward. So hopefully more years to come. I'll be giving away the codes. Let's go back to the codes now. Let's go here. Go to the codes. So I don't want to put Esteria there. I'll be talking about Esteria later. I know everybody's uh, excited. Redeem coupon. So countdown gifts. So let's do the countdown gift. Countdown gift. Okay, countdown gift. Next would be LT Anniversary SD. Lost LT Anniversary. Okay, Anniversary SD. LT Anniversary SD. Oh wow, what's this? Gem this one is okay. Mystic Stone. This one legendary gift box. Okay. Do we have more other than that? Okay, I think those two are the only one coupon code right now. I'll be giving you coupon code if if the content creators was given another separate coupon codes. I'll be compiling all of that and I'll be giving that one again to you guys. So hopefully you support the cause. If you're enjoying the content in this channel of all of the gacha games I'm covering, please do consider subscribing. So thank you guys for believing, for all of the people who subscribe through the years and who are new to this channel. Hopefully you're enjoying yourselves. Again, this is 20 Gaming, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Bye bye.